Very good evening, everyone. Just an audio and visual check from my end. Is my voice is audible and my screen is visible to everyone? Just type yes in the chat box if my voice and screen is clear enough. Just an audio and visual check. Is my voice is audible and my screen is visible to everyone? Just type yes in the chat box, everyone, if my voice and screen is clear enough. My voice and screen is clear. Okay, okay. Okay, great. Yes, what is the time? Time is 8:02. Yes, I believe now my voice is clear. If you are facing an issue in the voice, a low volume, I'm getting a message. So just everyone, is everyone facing the same issue of low volume or only few traders are facing? Just let me know before starting the session so that in between the session, the flow of the session will never get disturbed. No issue, right? Everything is clear. The sound, screen, everything is clear enough, right? So yes. Okay, all clear. Great. Fantastic. So today's special topic is technique to find intraday trading opportunities. A very interesting topic. This is my third free webinar which I am conducting. So make sure everyone to click on the subscribe button, very important, and turn on your notification. Next week I am also planning to do many free live trading sessions, and also coming Sunday there is one bank nifty option trading strategy free webinar on Sunday. I believe everyone are aware of it. So stay connected on the in this YouTube channel. So make sure everyone click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification. And also make sure if you find the content of today's session useful, make sure to click on like button so that every trader, I can understand the traders who are joined the session are happy with the content or learning something new, because this free webinar I am conducting to make sure to help traders to learn something new every single time whenever I am doing a free session. Okay, so quickly let's start without any further delay. Techniques to find intraday trading opportunities. Yes, I have already given one free trading strategy. On the coming Sunday, there is one more free trading strategy which I am providing exclusively for free. So you need to make sure to participate on those upcoming sessions. So let's start. So first of all, when we are speaking about finding intraday trading opportunities, I will also use the charts and show you. Before that, one common statement I use in all my trading sessions, all my free webinars or whatever webinar I do is say no to paid call providers. I'm again repeating, even 1,000 times I can repeat. Say no to paid call providers. Very important. Say no to paid call providers. If anyone are following a call providers or tip providers, especially on Telegram, and some indoor guy will call you and say I will provide call on double your capital, triple your capital, don't get trapped in this kind of activity. Okay, especially say no to paid call providers. So now, before going on to the intraday trading setup, let's now intraday techniques to find intraday trading opportunities. I will show you a roadmap of trading success. There always try to understand on a trading basis. There are different roadmaps which every trader has to go through to be a successful profitable trader in this market. So I have categorized into 5 different stages. So first stage number one is to stop following call providers, which I spoke in the last slide, which I can even tell you, I will request everyone to stop following call providers, sir. Why I'm telling I will request is because the way call providers are trapping retail traders is just worse. Now let me know how many traders have got trapped in the call providers and lost money because of call providers. You can just message in the chat box so that other traders can get aware of it and stop doing it straight away from now. Okay. So in this entire webinar, I will make sure to not waste even a single minute of your trading of your session. So make sure to stay connected throughout the session, sir. It's not like joining and just going out of the section 5 to 10 minutes. Only I'm taking a 1 hour of a time. The session will continue till 9 p.m. So make sure to stay connected on the session throughout the session. I'm telling you. Now the next stage number 2 is learn the process to read the market, price action and price auction. Why I'm telling this, I will show you examples on what I'm speaking on how to learn the process to read the market action and market auction. I will show with the help of charts. And this is stage 2. Stage 3 is once you develop this, once you learn the process of market, price action, confident, everything, then you will get that confident, develop confident. Okay. Develop your confidence of coming out of loss or shifting towards profit. It can be anything. If you are facing loss, to come out of the loss, it required a real confidence. That's very, very important and priority. And now the stage 4 is have patience to wait for the trade and proper risk management. Why I'm adding this stage 4 is very, very important, sir. If you check for the past 10 to 15 days of bank nifties, especially bank nifty option trading, especially on option buying, market is testing so much patience, and the market is making more retail traders who doesn't have patience to lose their hard earned money. So stage 4 is the having developed your patience and have a proper risk management. And the last stage 5 is very, very important, sir. Accept profit and losses equally. Like if you are making profit in today's trading session and tomorrow, in some case, stop loss will get triggered. It's not like every time only profit. Stop loss will get triggered. So make sure to accept both loss and profit equally. Okay, so now coming back to this intraday trading, very important here is on intraday trading, just market has limited time. For intraday traders, we have a limited time from morning 9:15 to 3:30. Okay, this is the limited time span we have. In this span, what I personally do is I divide the trading session into 2 to 3 different stages. What are the stages means? From morning 9:15 to 11:30. This is stage number 1 of market splitting out. This is what I do. This is stage number 1. What is stage number 2 is 11:30 to 1:30. Okay. Stage number 3 is 1:30 to 2:45 or maximum 3 p.m. That's it. I don't bother about the last 30 minutes of option. I don't even turned on my terminal, just close my chart after 2:30 or 2:45 maximum. These are the 3 stages by which I split the market. Okay, in the what is the use of splitting these 3 stages? There are many usage. First and foremost usages 9:15 to 11:30. Let's assume 9:15 to 11:30 the market is going into a full sideways mode. What we need to do is we need to collect data points. We need to collect data points. Like data points means who is in control of the market, whether buyers are in control or sellers are in control. And one more thing we have to collect is what are all the major support and resistance which is getting developed on the current trading session from morning 9:15 to 11:30. So once we have collected these data points in the first phase of the market, we will go to I personally go to the second phase of the market and see whether I am getting any trade opportunities. If even I am not getting any trade opportunities, I go to this third phase of the market, that is from 1:30 to 245. Okay, few traders in the comment section have posted their loss which they have made by the tips or paid call providers. So make sure to respect. Okay, and in this session, make sure to respect each and everyone in the session. Don't tease anyone or don't do any sign of misuse activities. Okay, so those who have joined this session right now, make sure to click on the subscribe button, very important, and just make sure to turn on the notification. In upcoming days I am planning to do many free live trading sessions on an upcoming Sunday day, 2 days, and I am doing a bank nifty intraday trading strategy special webinar. So these are the three phases of which I split the market. Okay, so based on these three phases I check the data points and I plan my trades accordingly. Now moving on to the risk reward prop. Intraday comes to, once we have seen this, we need to collect the data points, and one more data points which we need to collect is before market. We need to understand before market on previous day's trading session. Previous day's trading session, what happened? Who were in control, whether buyers or sellers were in control. We need to check this data point, very important, before market opening previous day, whether buyers are in control or sellers are in control. This is one more data point which we need to collect for sure. It's a requirement. Okay, now moving on to the time frame, trading style and risk reward part. Intraday, as I mentioned, it is only 9:15 to 3:30. So very important, we need to look at the risk reward. Most traders, especially most retail traders, doesn't give importance to risk reward. Now what is risk reward? Any trade, whatever trade you are taking, you need to ask yourself two questions. What is your stop loss location and how much is your risk reward? These are the two questions which you need to ask before taking any single trade on any single trading session. If minimum, what I follow is minimum my trade, I personally follow a risk reward of 1 is to 1.5 to 1 is to 2 risk reward. And when it comes to stop losses, the location of stop loss is very important, sir. Why I am telling again the location of stop loss is very important is because big players, what they do is they just hit retail traders stop losses. Okay, how many time it has happened to you? Once, let's assume you have taken a buy trade somewhere here and you have placed a stop loss here. Market will come, hit your stop loss and then shoot upside. You are expecting upside move. You have bought a call option or you have bought a future in bank nifty or any stock. It will exactly trigger your stop losses and it will shoot up. How many times it has happened to you? Why this is happening? Have anyone tried to understand why this is happening? It's because the stop loss which you are placing is the same location where the retail traders who doesn't have knowledge, they also place the stop loss at the same exact location. Okay, you need to avoid doing it. That's very important. Now coming on to the time frame, there are, on an intraday basis, there are three major time frame: 5 minute, 15 minute and 30 minute time frame. I personally follow 5 minute and 30 minute time frame. These are the time frame I personally follow, and you need to just understand and you need to note it down which time frame you are following. Just you can also answer. You can also make sure to answer what was your time frame, what time frame you follow, 5 minute, 15 minute or 30 minute for intraday. I personally follow 5 minute and 30 minute. Okay, and when it comes to trading style, what is your trading style? Are you a scalper? Scalper means, for example, bank nifty option. Bank nifty option trading, I'm speaking option buying. Scalper means taking 10 points, 20 points profit, or big target trader. When I say what is mean by big target trader is expecting a target of 100 points, 120 points, 80 points, 150 points in option. These are intraday a decent big target trades. What are you expecting? You need to identify it, whether you are a scalper or a big target trader. Big target trader required one thing, that is patience. Whether you have patience to wait for the big target, you need to ask all this question to you, but most traders doesn't do it. Try to make sure, note it down all this point. This is a free session. It doesn't mean you are just watching it and just forgetting about it on tomorrow morning. No use. make sure to note it down all the important points, whatever it is required. Okay, it will be useful for you, and make sure to stay connected on towards the entire session. Let's see how it is going on. For your personal knowledge I'm speaking, okay, and very important, those traders who have still not subscribed the YouTube channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Now let's move on to the data points, which I was speaking data points here, right? In this slide I was speaking about the data points. Now there are a different data points. Let's start one by one. First and foremost data point is, we can get different data points from different charts. So quickly what I will do is, we will go towards this one. First of all, let's take data points from the simple chart. We are not doing anything, just a simple chart. You need to split, we need to split this chart in every 1 hour, from not like 9:15 to 11:30 is the first phase of the market, which I personally told you. So so Raghavendran sir is asking, why don't you explain all things in Hindi? We are in India, sir. Explaining Hindi for me is not a big deal, but most traders are from different states. Most traders doesn't understand Hindi, so a common language I'm speaking is in English, so that everyone can understand it. Okay. So now what we need to do? We need to split this chart for every 1 hour or 1.5 hour of the market to get the data points. That is what very important. So before getting data points, those traders who attended last free session, one thing which I have told in last free webinar is, you need to mark it down the previous day high and previous day low. You need to mark it down previous day high and previous day low. Those traders who attended the last free webinar, we can understand it. Okay, what I am doing here is marking the previous day high and previous day low. This is today's trading session. I believe everyone, those traders who have joined the last session, understand or remember what I told to mark it down previous day high and previous day low. So we have marked previous day high and previous day low. Now what we need to see, what are all the important data points? How to get the data points? What I told you, I am using 5-minute and 30-minute time frame. Correct? So what I am doing is, this is 5-minute time frame and this is 30-minute time frame. You could see on your top left corner. So first come to the 30-minute time frame. What I have added here is simple pivot points which I have added. I can re-add and show you so that you will understand it. I'm just going to the indicators and just searching for a pivot points. You could look pivot standard here. You can also search in your broker terminal pivot points. If you search, you will get it. Pivot point standard. I'm just added the pivot point standard here. I will also show in the broker terminal also, but for an easy understanding, I'm doing it here in a trading view platform. Now, once we have added the pivot point, once the market open on a 30-minute, we need to check what is this is pivot point. This is R1. For this words are very small, I'm just writing it down here. This is S1. These three are very important. First, you need to check on a 30-minute time frame, where is this pivot point R1 and S1. These are the three things which you need to check. Okay, once you check this, go back to the 5-minute, same pivot point which I have added. Now you need to check once the market, this market trading session opens. We need to check where is the R1 pivot points and S1 in a 5-minute time frame. These are three things which you need to do, very important. Okay, once you have done it, now quickly I am just showing you on a 30-minute time frame what is the pivot points. 35,510 is the pivot point, right? Let me write it down quickly so that you will understand it very easily. Just give me a minute. Sorry. Yes. Now we need to write it down, the pivot points. You need to do this very simple example. 30-minute, 5-minute. Okay. For 30 minutes, where is pivot? For R1, S1. For 30-minute and 5-minute. Just quickly, I'm just showing you this very important. So make sure to have a note on this. On a 30-minute time frame, where is the pivot here? 35,510. S1 is 35,060. What is the pivot one? 35,510 is the pivot. S1 is 35,060. These are the data points. So these are the data points you need to have. Okay. Now going back quickly, I will write it down everything first here, and then I will come back to this plain whiteboard. Okay. On what is the R1 here? R1 is around 35,960. Just give me a minute. I'm just overlapping in the chart. I'm writing down. I'm going back to the plain whiteboard. Another 5 minute. What is the pivot point on today's trading session? Once the market open, you need to write it down here. 35,136 is the pivot point on 5 minutes. What is the R1? 35,446. For your easy understanding, I am writing 35,446. I can even tell the number, but it will be good if I write it down. And next is 34,950. S1 is 34,960. Now you need to check on 5 minute and on 30 minute which is the closest value which is matching each other. You need to check those level and you need to mark it down that level precisely, that entire range. If you look at this 35,510 and 35,446, these are the two levels which are matching as close as possible, because 35,510 to 35,446 is just a 50 points different. There's a 50 point closest, as close as possible the level. So now simply what you need to do, once the market open 35,446 to 35,510, I believe everyone understand what I am telling you. Once market open, this is what I do. Once market open, because once market open, then only you will get exact value of 5 minute pivot. 30 minute you might get before market opening also, but once market open, then only you will get the 5 minute pivot point. And you need to check what is the closest, as close value as possible. You not required to write it down everything, but simply for your easy understanding, to show you easily, I have just write it down everything and showing you. 50 points is the difference. This is the closest. So 35,446 to 35,510. You need to just simply mark the zone in the chart. 35,446 to 35,510. I will just quickly mark it down those levels here. Look at this. I'm just marking here quickly. 35,446 to 35,510. Now what we have marked here? This is 35,446. This is 35,510. How we got this level? By comparing 5 minute and 30 minute pivots, we got those level. This is data points which you need to collect it down. Try to understand. As this is a free session, it doesn't mean you are just not noting it down. Very, very important. You note it down. This is what I personally follow, which I am sharing it for free. Okay, so make sure to stay connected on the entire session and note it down all the important points. And very important, everyone just click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification. If you like the video, like this today's content, and click on the like button simply. Okay, 35,510 to 35,446. And also you can follow us, join us on Telegram and Twitter. You can check in the live chat. I have pinned the message. The link is there on for Telegram and Twitter. Once we are marked here, what we need to do, very important, is whether price is opening below this range or above this range. We need to note it down this. Okay, this what here we have marked previous day's high, previous day's low. These are the data points. Once you get the data points, then only you can go for the trading opportunities. Or it's not like you have learned some trading strategy, moving average crossover, or like something RSI crossing 40, stochastic crossing making a crossover, CCI making a crossover, means you can jump, go and take trades. So this pivot points data you will get once the market opens. So it's not like you will get by 9:45, 9:50 and all. Okay, if you are not getting the value, open trading view free chart and you can check the value. Simple. It's not like moving average crossover means buy. RSI crossing 60 means jump and buy. Super trend crossing up down, go and buy. That's not the way trading is done. Try to understand this. Once you are collecting the data points, then only you can learn. This previous day low mark. Now very important, you need to check where price is opening, whether price is opening above this range or below this range. On this trading session, price opened here. So what clearly we are seeing, price is opening below this range. So this zone will act as a resistance. I'm telling you, this zone will act as a resistance because price is opening on the down below the zone. If price is opening above this zone will act as a support. I am telling you, it is not 100% that it should act as support and price should fall. That's not a game here. Okay, try to understand. If price is opening below that zone, very important, as in this example price opening below the zone, very important, you need to see whether after price opening below the zone and when price is trying to move up, whether this, when price is testing this zone, whether we are getting a rejection or price crossing this zone. This is very important. Once you mark this zone as price is opening below, you need to check if buyers are trying to push the price up, whether this zone is getting a rejection or price is crossing the zone. Same way, let's assume price is opening above this zone. If price is opening above this zone and if it comes and tests this zone, whether price is rejecting or price is crossing, you need to check this data points. So on this trading session, if you closely look at this, what happened? This data point, how we got 5 minutes and 30 minutes. What the level is closer now, this is previous days high here, this is the range which we got here from the 30 minutes and 5-minute pivot point. What is happening here? Price is trying to move up and on the next candle it is not giving any upside move. Further 15 minutes of auction, 20 minutes of auction, again price is trying to come this zone and it is not clearing. Now very important, what I have added here is the pivot point, right? Sorry, VWAP. I have added the red color line is called as VWAP. Once we are getting a data point multiple time, here look at this, one attempt, two attempt, price is trying to go and test this zone and not crossing this zone. So very important is unless until this zone is not getting crossed, unless until this zone is not getting crossed, after two times price is not making an attempt but still not crossing, what I personally do is unless this zone is not getting crossed, I will not give importance to plan a buy side trade. Whatsoever it can happen, I will wait for this zone to clearly cross, then only I will even think for a buy side trade, because two times buyers have failed here. This is what data points works. Okay, this is how data points work. It's not like you have added three indicators, RSI, stochastics, some moving average, 3-4 moving average running. If it cross means sell, cross up means buy. This is not the way trading works. Try to understand. Okay, this is 5 minutes. You need to check this in 5 minutes, not 15 minutes. What I told, I follow 5 minutes and 30 minutes only. No 15 minutes or 10 minutes. What I follow, I am trying to share here. Very simple. This is not book knowledge or anything. Okay. Two times rejected, so somewhere buyers are failing, sir. Very clear objective here is buyers are failing to give an upside follow through. So till this zone is not clearly getting cleared and price is auctioning above it, I personally will not give importance to plan any sign of buy side trade. Now what happened here? After two times price coming and rejecting and price came below VWAP. This red color line is VWAP. Everyone can see this. The red color line is VWAP. So once price came below the VWAP, if you closely look at this, price is going into sideways mode at and around previous days high, but it is not even crossing the VWAP. It is not even crossing the VWAP. So now what is the time? 11 a.m. Time here you could see 11 a.m. of the market. What is the first phase I told? 9:15 to 11:30 is my first phase. So what, before even the first phase getting completed, what information I am getting here? At this zone, buyers are failing to cross this marked zone which we got from pivot points. I will explain you how to get this level again in next few minutes. Those who have joined right now, stay on the session, continue noting it down all the points, start gaining the knowledge. Okay, this zone buyers failed one attempt. Here look at this price after roaming multiple times. This is previous days high, right? After roaming multiple times around, but price once two times buyers file price came below VWAP. It has not even tried to cross the VWAP. Now look at this interest from the buyers. They are not even ready to cross the VWAP. Means forget about further upside move. It's next to impossible, sir. No point in focusing on buy side, but because even despite prices trading around previous days high but not crossing even VWAP. So very important, what data points? Buyers failing here, buyers failing to push the price here. Now look at this. This was the first zone of buyers failing. This is the second zone of buyers failing. What is happening? The buyers failing zone is shifting towards downside. This itself enough for me to focus and plan only short side trades, sir. And now few traders can ask me, sir, you have a Telegram channel. Why don't you share trading calls in Telegram channel every day? I am not a call provider, sir. I am not at all a call provider because for me, important, I personally focus on my personal trading sessions, and those traders who are connected with me in the live market, I focus more on them. Okay. Because if I type message in the Telegram channel for any call, I can't place my personal order in my broker terminal, sir. I am human. I can do one work at a time because Bank Nifty moves sometime faster. I can do one work at a time. So either I can message in Telegram or I can put my personal trade. For me, as I am not a call provider and I don't run any paid call service. Very, very important. Try to understand. I don't run any paid call service and I will never run any paid call service. This is very, very important. Difference between a call provider and a trader, sir. Okay, difference between a call provider and trader. Call provider will be in Telegram channel, opening Telegram channel, Bank Nifty option from 600, if it moves to 610, he will post rocket, auto bomb. From 610 to 620, he will post rocket and auto bomb. This is Telegram call provider. We are traders. What trader will do is first give importance to his own trading account, and for I give importance to traders who are part of my live trading session. Okay. Later on, if I get a time, then only I can go and post message in Telegram, sir. If you are following Telegram, this is why I tell don't follow Telegram call providers. Few may don't like, few may go out of the session, but I don't care. Those traders who are part of the session, I give priority to them, I give importance to them, and I speak reality. Okay, I'm not here to speak any aftermarket or telling a dream that I will double your capital in 1 month, 2 months. Not like that. What is happening? Multiple time coming back to the chart, buyers are failing. The buyer's zone is shifting down. So this will make me to focus only on short side trade, sir. I will not even bother or think about buy side trade. Now can you understand? With just simple, this is just a simple data points I have shared. There are many data points which we can collect from market. I am just telling you a simplest of simple data points from the pivot points. Let me add on. This is the simple of simplest pivot points which I am telling you a data point. Okay. This is how you need to read the difference. Who is in control on this trading session, whether buyers or sellers. Once you start reading this, then only you can get a trading opportunities. Okay, taking trades doesn't mean if you need to you are following a trading strategy. If you are following it, fine and enough. But add this in your trading strategy. Understand buying versus sellers. Who is strong, who is weak. Very simple concept, sir. Nothing rocket science here. Let's take one more day's example. Okay. On this trading session. Now I will go back and again check what is the pivot point, everything. So those traders who have not seen the data levels which I am getting it, I'm just going back again and showing you what is the data point. 30-minute never change daily. 30-minute value of R1, S1, I probably not changes every single time. No major change will come. In 5 minutes we will get change. So we will go back to one day before a trading session. What we need to do, mark it down 5 minutes and 30 minutes, pivot points and every data. So pivot points, I will write it down here. R1, S1 of Friday's, sorry, what is today's day? Thursday's trading session. To check Thursday, we need to check on Wednesday's trading session. Once Thursday morning market opens, we need to check the 5 minute. Immediately we will get pivot point R1, S1, everything here. So this is 30 minutes, this is 5 minute data points. So on 5 minute, where is the pivot here? On previous trading session, 35,080. 35,080. Very clear. R1, where is R1 here? 35,400. I am taking it in 5 minutes. Try to understand this. Where is S1? 34,600 is the S1. So this webinar, free webinar which I am doing, is not to waste anyone time. No time pass, nothing here. If you are connected on the session, stay connected throughout the session. I will make sure to share you some knowledge as possible in a limited time span. 5 minutes mark, go back to 30 minutes. Where is the pivot point? 35,510 R1, 35,950. Now I am just marking here 35,510 R1, 35,950. Where is S1 here? 35,050. 35,050. Now what we need to check? Closest value. What is the closest value which we are getting? We need to check those level as close as possible, so that it will give us a clue here. Now very important here, we are getting here is 35,050. 35,050 and 35,080. This is closest number one. This is what one question I am getting. What if market opens above our collected data? For that only you need to have the second closest value also. What is the second closest value here? 35,510. I will change the color and mark it down. 35,510. 35,600, because this has 90 points different. No sir, 5 sir, try to understand the data points which I am getting here. 30 minutes, you can, what you can do is, once let market open sir, 9:15 markets open, right? Once 9:15 market opens, then check the date, write it down, this data points. Okay, 9:15 let market open, then you get the data points. No 5 minutes, 30 minutes, both the 5 minutes and 30 minutes. Okay, so now what is the closest, second closest? 35,510 to 35,80. What we need to do? Mark it down both the closest value on this trading session. First is 35,050 to 80, we are marking here. 35,050 to 35,080. Somewhere here, rough number I am marking here. This zone is marked. Now next zone is 35,510 and 35,600. I need to push the chart slightly. 35,510 to 35,600. Two zones. So market is opening somewhere around 35,000. So this zone, it's far away, too far away. So we will not consider this zone. What we will consider is only this 35,050 to 35,080. This zone we are considering, right? Now closely look at this. One more thing which we have marked. What we need to mark? Previous day's low has to be marked. High is very far away, so previous day's low. What we need to check, previous trading session, who are in control of the market. We need to check this, very very important, sir. It's not like adding line and if rejects means we will shoot and jump and trade. It's not the way trading works. Try to understand it. In dreams only it will work, or some fake trading call provider can only do this. What happened on this trading session? Previous day price shooted down, gave a pullback, shooted again down. Now who is in control of previous trading session? Entire sellers are in full control. Sellers are in full control of the market here. Now what zone we have marked? 35,050 to 35,080. What is the zone on previous trading session? The zones are matching. Look closely here. Price came down, gave a pullback, and then a down move. This pullback zone, another 35,080, 50 to 35,080, which we got on the data points once market opened, both are as close as possible. So what you need to do? Look at what is happening here. Multiple time price is trying to come down. Multiple time price is trying to come down. Now price is trying to come down. Understood? Price opened below the zone. Price is multiple time getting a rejection. Now once this rejection comes, let price come below VWAP and trade, then focus. Okay, one question I'm getting, this is time waste boss. You must teach how to select stocks and how to take entry and exit. I don't even care, sir. If you are feeling it is waste, stay out of the session. I don't even care. This is a free session which I'm trying to share knowledge. If you feel this is waste, stay, come, get out of the session. I don't even bother. Okay, you need always make sure to respect the free content. Free, this is what very important. Free doesn't have value, but still I am trying to share as much as possible. Multiple time price rejecting and moving down. Very important is let the price come below VWAP. Try to understand, if you are focusing only to learn trading strategy means you can never make money in the market, sir. Try to understand, only two players in the market, buyers and sellers. If you can't understand this buyers and sellers, even if you learn 1,000 trading strategy, you will never make money in the market. A trader can't make money in the market unless until he can't understand buyers and sellers. Okay. You can be in a dream, or you can still go and follow call providers and lose money. If you can't understand this buyers and sellers, try to understand it. Here multiple time price is failing here. Very important is, once price failing multiple time from our zone, price has to come below VWAP and it has to spend some time and it has to continue the down move. Then only this move is stronger. Then only this rejection is stronger. Try to understand why I am telling here is, after rejecting, price has to come below VWAP and it has to spend some time, and then it has to shoot down on the same direction. Okay, this direction, this is called as follow up move. This is called as follow up or follow through move. Follow through move is the powerful move, sir. I don't know how many traders have understand this. Follow through move is the powerful move in the market, one of the powerful move in the market. Okay. Here what is happening? We are getting sideways, but price again reversing up. Getting a rejection, sideways, again reversing up. Price is getting a rejection, again sideways, again reversing up. Now very important, this is where the game changing comes here. 3 attempts, price came below VWAP and spent some time. Where is the follow through down move? Where is the follow through down move, sir? But most traders, you have to think this. Where is the follow through down move? Follow through down move, who will give? Sellers will give, but they are clearly lagging here. But at this point, what will happen, right? I will show you by adding 3-4 moving averages, it would have given a downside crossover. You would have lost the money straight away. I will show you. Wait, I will show you after explaining this. Very, very important. Sellers has to make a downside follow through here. After price spending below VWAP, price is shooting up. Okay, price is shooting up. So this red color line is VWAP. Price is shooting, reversing up, no down moves coming. Okay, I will answer. Few trollers are there in the chat box. Let me complete explaining and I will give you a perfect reply. If you have guts, stay on the session. That especially trollers I am speaking. Okay, those traders want to learn, stay on the session fully, and also trollers. I will not name them, but trollers, stay on the session. You will be answered for every single questions. Okay. Multiple time failing. So sellers follow through itself failing, sir. Then why do you want to plan a short side trade? I don't understand it. And now look at once price clearly crossing the zone. Look at this. Price is trying to come. Trying to reverse back up. Trying to come, reverse back. Trying to come, reverse back. What's the scenario here which is getting developed? Once price crossed, it is spending time. It is spending more time, multiple rejection. And this spending time has given an output of the upside move. Can you see the real move here? Sellers failing. Once price crossed on the upside, not even single time price came down after crossing. This is what I told, the pivot point zone. Either it has to reject or it has to cross. Two scenarios possible here. What is happening? Second scenario, multiple time rejecting and coming below VWAP means once it has to spend time and it has to continue. It is not happening here, not happening. No downside follow through. Sellers totally failed in the market. Now price crossing up, spending almost 45-50 minutes, multiple time price is rejecting. What's the scenario? Crossing, multiple times rejecting, going into the sideways mode, and then for me, I personally, what I do is I will look closely to plan my buy side trade because price is trying to move up. This is where the up move, look at up move from 35,150 to 35,300. 150 points up move in the sideways market which we got in 10 25 minutes, just 25 minutes. Here look at this, price was going sideways 150 points, 150, this is 35,050 to 35,900, 150 points. Price was struggling for how much time? Till 1:30, this is 2 p.m. from morning 9:15 to 1:30. 4.5 hours price was struggling in 115 point range. 150 points upside move we got in 25 minutes. Now tell me trollers, especially trollers I am speaking, who think they are over smart, effect of this 150 point 4.5 hours, nothing to trade here. One shot 25 minutes, money is being made easy. Money is being made easy. Okay, few traders are asking where to enter, where to place stop loss. Yes sir, in upcoming, not in coming Sunday session, in any of upcoming free webinar, I will tell you this trade setup. This is one trade setup, but for the trade setup, there are different candle formation and different levels which you need to mark for the trade entry. So I will tell you this trade, this is also a trade setup. I have designed already, I am working on this, trading on personally this trade setup. I will let you know when to trade, when not to trade. It's not like you are getting a sideways move here means this is breakout, take buy trade and take short trade. This is not the way trading works. Don't do this over smart thinking here. This will not work. Try to understand. There are many data points which we need to check. I will let you know those data points as soon as possible. Okay. In any of the upcoming free sessions, I am telling you. It's not entry based on risk reward. It's the perfect location of entry. Why I'm telling this is, even I'm telling you, even price was rejecting here. We are getting a bullish candle here. I will zoom and show you. Even here we are getting a bullish candle after rejecting. I have not entered the trade. I was doing a live sessions with few traders. I have not entered, jump and taken a trade on this candle. I waited and later on taken this buy side trade on my live session which I have conducted. Okay, try to understand it. If you are expecting stop loss target, yes, look at time is almost 8:45, 8:50. Not possible today. Sir, I am telling you, Yadav sir, I am telling personally to you only. You are continuously messaging stop loss target. For that, I am doing on coming Sunday one free intraday trading strategy webinar. You can attend the trading strategy there, and I will share one trading strategy. Okay. Can you understand the importance of these are the data points you have to collect, sir? These are the data points you have to collect. But what retail, now I will tell you what retail traders will do. Okay. Forget, they will search for moving average. This is retail traders. I am just marking it down. Try to understand what they will do, what retail traders will do. This is especially for the retail traders. What retail trader, they will search for indicator called RSI. They will add this indicators. I will tell you this. And they will search for stochastics. I'm not against any indicator, but I'm telling what retail traders will do. And later on, they will add Bollinger Band, especially the trollers. Trollers, especially for this trollers also. They will add Bollinger Band and moving average. They will add some moving average 50. They will add some moving average called 20. Color they will change because color means blue color line crossing red color line. Go and buy. This is what retail traders will do. I will remove pivot points here. Pivot points most traders don't even care because they don't understand the value of pivot points. I will add one more. This is what retail traders, one more indicator. 7 day, 8 day, 7 day, 20 color. Now they will change color, orange color. Orange color line crossing blue color line. Go and buy. This is what retail traders. Now, this is what retail traders will add. What is indicate? How much indicators? 1, 2, Bollinger Band 3, VWAP 4, 3 moving average. So 7 indicators are in the chart. Now, can you see the candlesticks clearly? Just type yes or no. Can you see the candles? This is what retail traders will do. I'm not telling you to do. This is what retail traders will do. Now just type yes or no. Can you see the candlesticks here? Retail traders activity, sir. Make sure to comment in the chat box. Can you see this candlesticks clearly? No. You can't even see candlesticks here. But what retail traders don't care about it. Now look at this. On this trading session which I was speaking, right? This was the trading session which I was speaking with the help of the pivot point concept which I have shared. Right? Now look at this. You can't see pivot point, right? So charts clearly. Now I will remove these two indicators on the bottom. Let's what retail traders will do here. Now look at this. What is the zone? Multiple times seller, same trading session, but cluster of chart I have plotted, right? This is what retail traders will do. We are not doing. Retail traders will do this. Okay, and again I am not again any of the indicators or nothing, sir. Every traders have their different perspective. Now look at this moving average crossing towards upside here one time taken buy side trade 20 minutes stop loss triggered. Now price moving average crossing down here taken a short side trade price reversed back up. Moving average crossing down here taken a short side trade price shooted up trigger stop loss. In the same trading session, 3-4 trade coming buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Moving average crossover. Waste, sir. Simple chart have the data points. Can you understand data points? Yes, every indicators have their own trading setup, trading style, stop loss, target. I am not against any indicator. But what is the use of adding 10 indicators like this? Waste. Adding, what is the use of adding this you can't even see the chart in this by looking at this adding so much indicators. You will get confused. But what retail traders think is adding 5-7 indicators, then only we can be a profitable trader. This is worst, sir. Anyone following this? Don't waste your time in adding this much indicator. You can never make money. I'm speaking trading reality. Simple candlesticks. I have added just pivot points. Very simple. Now coming back to this pivot point issue, many traders were just shouting in the live chat. Trollers were shouting in the live chat about pivot points. Simple and very easy, I am telling you. Let market open by 9:15 market opens, right? If you want to be precisely know the pivot points, let first 15 minutes go. Let first 15 minutes go. Okay. First 15 minutes done. Then once price market come to 9:30 market open, 15 minutes gone. Now open trading view app or any of your broker terminal. I'm just using trading view so that few traders who using traditional broker, they don't provide chart platform like Upstock, Zerodo and all provide chart, and many broker doesn't provide chart platform. Simple, right? 9:30. Now open 30 minutes time frame and just search for pivot points. Pivot points has different settings, sir. You need to add pivot point standard. Standard is the basic setting. Pivot point standard you have to add 9:30 on 30 minutes and on 5 minutes and 30 minutes. And you need to check the closest value and you need to draw that line in the 5-minute time frame chart, and you need to check as of now whatever I have told, you need to check all those data points. Okay. Very clear. Okay, just a minute. Very clear on the pivot point standard setting. And make sure that those traders have still not subscribed the YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on the notifications, sir. In upcoming day, there are many sessions to be conducted. Okay, don't miss any of the session. And very important, those traders who have still not joined the Telegram channel, check the pinned message which I have done. Just click on the link and join the Telegram channel. And you can follow us on also Twitter. We are also created a new account on Twitter. You can follow us on Twitter also. Okay. Sir, okay. Now I am getting few questions. VWAP is only for futures, sir. VWAP is only, we need to add VWAP on future. And I was trying to continue this session. I have many more slides to be explained, but time is already 9 p.m. I have planned the session only for 1 hour. Now quickly what I will do is, on coming Sunday, especially remember 2 days after, on coming Sunday, I am doing a free Bank Nifty intraday trading strategy webinar. I have already shared one free trading strategy, and this is my third free webinar, and I am again trying to share one free trading strategy morning sharp to 10 a.m. Sunday morning. If you are can't remember it, just follow us on Telegram or follow us on WhatsApp, sir. Okay. Either you can follow us on Telegram or you can follow us on WhatsApp. All the details, everything will be shared. Don't worry about it. Everything will be shared in WhatsApp. And if anyone or not want to join the WhatsApp WhatsApp group, just a minute for them. Yes, those traders who want to join the WhatsApp group, just message me here, sir. You can message me in the WhatsApp. I will share you the WhatsApp group link. And if you just remember, make sure to join the Telegram channel and follow us on Twitter and click on subscribe button and turn on the notification. If you like this content, make sure to click on the like button in the video. Trollers, now I could see in this video so far 3 dislikes. Trollers, I don't even care. Okay, Sunday's session, whether it is on YouTube or Zoom, I will let you know, sir. Sir, I don't share recording, sir. Abhinik sir is asking previous webinar recording. Sir, webinar number 2, I have already conducted in YouTube only, sir. You can search in my Telegram YouTube channel. Just make sure you have to subscribe and you can easily check. And those traders who want to message me on WhatsApp, this is the WhatsApp link which I am sharing here. Check on the chat box. Link is in the chat box. You can click and message me. Yes, WhatsApp group. Those who want to join, just check the chat box. I have shared the WhatsApp link. Just send me hi or hello in the DM in the WhatsApp. You will get the link. Okay. So just click on the link. WhatsApp number not required. Just click on the link. You will get the details. You still want the WhatsApp number? Yes, this is the number, WhatsApp number, and the link is there on for the WhatsApp. You can just check this link out. Okay, so now what I will do is, before continuing the session, quickly, anyone have any questions, sir? You might have questions in your mind, any question, because having question in your mind and going is of no use. You should have that clarity, so that once you get that clarity, it will be more easy. Few traders are asking, where is the pinned message, sir? Sir, just check here. You could see the pinned message on the top. You could see the pinned message here. What is not opening, sir? What is not opening? You could see pinned message here, and you could see the WhatsApp. I have link. I have shared. Same thing you can see in the chat box, sir. Same thing you can see in the chat box. Just message me WhatsApp I or hello. I will share you the WhatsApp group link. Okay, everyone, those traders who are interested, especially I am telling you. Now coming back to quickly, I will address few questions. How many traders are in this session? 94 traders, 100 traders are there, right? Okay, Arup sir, question is, it will be same for 30 and 5 minutes. Sir, we are comparing 30 and 5 minutes, sir. Simple, not same or different. I have used it in Bank Nifty. One question, can we use this in stock also? Sir, I have not tried using Manoj sir. I have not tried using it. I personally more give importance to Bank Nifty only. Okay, WhatsApp link is not opening. Okay, so before going on, I will just let you know one more thing, a very important. Just stay on the session. There are more things to be shared. It's not like the webinar is completed, the webinar is continued. Just stay on the session. 100 traders are there. Okay, those traders, the link is not opening. I have also shared the WhatsApp group. Okay, check the chat box, sir. WhatsApp group link is also shared. This is group number 2. Okay, already group number 1 and group number 3 is almost full. So group number 2. Okay, Manish sir is telling you are first person who explained this much. Thank you, sir. Okay, those traders who have liked this session, now make sure once this session completes, just re-click on the YouTube link and just you can comment below. I will tell you about it later on. Comment your feedbacks. Feedbacks makes me more comfortable and more happy, sir. Okay. Okay, Mishra sir is asking whether we need to take data points of previous day. Stay connected on the session, sir, because there is one more thing to be shared. Stay connected on the session. Whether we need to take data points of previous day or current day, sir, this is what I am trying to tell you. Market opens by 9:15, right? Let first 15 minutes go. On by 9:30 or 9:25, open 5 minutes and 30 minutes and add pivot points. Standard settings. Once you add this, you will get the data value and you can compare it. Na? Anand sir is asking, this link will be available to watch later as well. Yes, I will try to keep this video on the YouTube, sir. But I am just planning to keep this current session video only for a few days, because when I keep this video continuously on the YouTube, the most traders doesn't join the live session, because if you doesn't join the live session, you can't ask doubt like this. Manoj sir, I have not tried using in the stocks. So I can't comment whether this works on stocks or not. But Bank Nifty, I have tried it. This is not book knowledge, from my practical live market experience I am sharing, sir. Okay. Yes, Ranjan sir is telling first time I saw there is no marketing of the service, value added session, learning is more important than earning. Yes, very important, sir. Sir, a simple concept I am telling, sir. This is very basic I have shared with you. This is nothing rocket science, very basic. Once you learn, then only you will earn, sir. That is the only reason I have. Yes, if you are part of any other WhatsApp group, I have totally 4 WhatsApp group. Okay, because WhatsApp has a limit of 256 users only. I have 4 WhatsApp group. So if you are part of any one WhatsApp group, you can avoid joining any other group. And all of my WhatsApp group, check the logo of the WhatsApp group, because trollers will start creating fake group in my trend trading name. Check the logo and then join. Okay. Very, very important. Any other questions quickly? Okay, Rajasekhar sir is asking, little confused. We need to mark 5 minute and 30 minute from previous day chart, right? Yes, sir. Once market open, again I am telling you, 9:15 market opens. Once 9:30 completes, then add pivot point in 5 minute and 30 minutes. So you will get current live trading session pivot point. Live trading session pivot point at 9:30, because 9:30 market open, right? 9:30, then go and add 5 minute on 5 minute and 30 minute pivot points. You will get live value. Okay, one question from Rohit sir, how to add pivot points? Sir, simple. I will show you 2 examples. One in your brokerage terminal and one in this trading view app. I'm just removing both this. Look at this trading view. Yes, you can share your feedbacks in my Twitter handle, sir. The link of the Twitter handle is in the pinned message. Okay. Link of the Twitter handle is in my pinned message. Click on the Twitter handle. You can follow us on Twitter, and you can just tag me in Twitter, and you can share your feedback also. Okay, and after this session, I will let you know how to share the feedbacks personally. And very important, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications, sir. Because once you turn on the notification, then only you will get all my videos and all the live session which I make. You will get a notification. Okay, how to add pivot points? This is FX you could see in trading view. Yes, just simply you can click on this FX and search pivot points. I'm just typing here pivot points. You could see pivot point standard. Just click on it. Same you need to do in 30 minute and 5 minute daily after 9:30. After 9:30 you have to do and check the pivot points value of current trading session. Once 9:30 means, let's assume Monday morning. Monday morning market opens. What you need to do, Monday morning 9:30 add pivot points. 5 minute and 30 minute pivot points at 9:30 and check the Monday's trading session pivot point value, not previous trading session. Added pivot points here, same you have to do in 5 and 30. Now going back to Upstocks. Upstocks and Zerodha will have studies. On your top right corner you will get studies, and here you have to search pivot points. Just click on the pivot points. Automatically the pivot points will get added, because I have added few lines here, so it is showing as cluster for you. Okay, pivot points added. Just scroll upward, the chart will zoomed. Pivot points added here. Simple. Okay, same thing on 5 minutes, same thing on 30 minutes. You have to do very, very simple. Broker terminal means this way. Trading view platform means this type. I don't use CPR and all, sir. Simple pivot points, that's it, enough. No point in using CPR, RSI, moving average, all. I don't even prefer to use those indicators. Mishra sir is asking all live participants just press like button. Sir, thank you for the recommendation, sir. Very important. And very important is, if you have any of your trading friends, trading relatives who are part or into trading or want to learn trading, you can recommend this video, or you can tell them to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group, or message me in WhatsApp. I will let you know the group, so that they can also learn. Okay. Okay, Sadiq sir is asking, if in case you have back tested, can you please suggest its success, sir? I don't believe on back testing and all, sir. I just see, I do manual back testing. I just see the charts. I don't believe on back testing report of 10 years back testing, 15 years back testing. Try to understand. 15 years back, very few traders have the access to chart. Very few traders have access to the candlestick charts which we are getting access now. Okay, 15 years back, how much traders were there? Only hardly lakh traders were there. 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 5 lakh traders. Now how much traders are there in the market? Sir, crores and crores traders are there, sir. And many traders are again getting trapped by this fake call providers. This is why in every session I just add one slide, sir. Say no to paid call providers. Just stay on the Telegram and WhatsApp groups. And next week I am planning to conduct free live trading session. Every traders, you can join those free live trading session also. Okay. Say no. I can tell you 1,000 times, sir. 1,000 times, 10,000 times. I can tell you, say no to paid call providers. I don't use Dixie sir. I don't use weighted moving average. Simple weighted and all, I don't use it. Okay, quickly one last time I have a common question, how to check how the zone is marked. Any other questions, you can quickly post this question, sir. Those traders who have joined late, I will repeat one last time how the zones are marked so that you can also understand. Those traders who have still understand, just again stay on the session and you can re note it down all the important points. What I have done, I have added pivot points, right? Simple. Just focus here, sir. Now don't I can't repeat again. Already time is 9:12. Okay, so just focus now. How to select the zone, how to mark the zone, common question. I will answer you right now. 5 minute on 30-minute pivot points marked. Clear? Let's assume on 5 minute, right? First coming to 5 minute, let's assume Friday. This is Friday morning. This is Friday morning. Today's session, today morning, 9:30 is the time. Time is 9:30 a.m. What you are doing, adding 5 minutes and 30 minutes on pivot points you have added, right? Now what you need to do, this is 30 minutes, 5 minutes, pivot points R1, S1. 3 zones on 30 minutes. First 30 minutes, 5 minutes, let's check what is pivot point. This is 9:30. Don't think this trading session has got completed. What is pivot point level? 35,136. 35,136. What is R1 here? 35,440. 43. Yes, R1 mark. Just I am telling you slide slowly so everyone can understand it. What is S1? You could see this is very small looking here. So S1, P means pivot points, R means R1. What is S1 here? 34,950. Right? Marked. 3 things marked. Go back to 30 minutes. Same thing. You could see pivot here, R1 here, S1 here. Quickly, I'm just doing it fastly. 34,500, 34,960. 30, 35,500, 35,960. Very clear? Yeah, what is S1? 35,050. Now, just type in the chat box and tell me what is the nearest. You need to compare with this to this. What is as close as possible? If you could see here, 35,500 and 35,443 is as close as possible. How much point different? 57 points is the lowest different. This is lowest as possible. So you need to go to this 35,443 to 35,500. Open 5 minute chart. and just mark 35,443 and 35,500. Simple, understood? This is how you need to mark the zone. Okay, sometimes you will get two zones. This is first nearest as first closest zone. You need to also check second closest zone. What is, you have to mark that also. I have not shown, you have to mark that also. Okay, again I'm telling this, I have worked only on bank nifty. I don't know about whether this works in stocks or whether this works in commodity and all. I don't know. I give more importance to bank nifty only. Okay, this red color line is called as VWAP. Simple. I have added pivot points which I have shown already. That's it. Nothing special. Very clear, everyone. Now tell me if anyone have any doubts. Quickly, sir. Anyone, any doubts? I believe everyone have joined the Telegram channel, and those traders who want to join WhatsApp group, you would have messaged me already. Yes, Venkatesh sir, you have just messaged. Yes, Sampath Kumar sir is telling trading view, it's not allowing to add. Sir, I have added in front of you trading view only. So those traders who are facing to add in trading view, simple sir. I will show from step 1. Simply just search trading view. Click on this bank nifty. There will be 3 4 options to be added. You need to add the correct one. You need to search and type bank nifty here. You will see that bank nifty index you are getting here. Click on this. Click on bank nifty 1, not 2 3 and all. Bank nifty 1 you have to click. That is the current month future contract. Ask question only related to the topic which we have discussed right now. You will automatically get it. Go to this FX and add the pivot point. Simple, easy. You can change time frame here, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you want you can do here. Very clear. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications, so that you will get every single update without fail. And if you make sure, if you like the content of today's session, make sure to click on the like button parallelly also. Okay, what is the time? Time is 9:18. Any other questions quickly? I believe this session was useful and very important. If you have any feedbacks to be shared, I will let you know once the session completes. I will share in the Telegram and WhatsApp. You can share your feedbacks also. It can be positive, it can be negative, but feedbacks makes me to improve myself. Simple. You need to add all this in bank nifty future, not in spot price, nothing. Yes. Manisha is asking, please can we tell us some platform or source from where we will get study material to understand all this concept. Sir, all this concept has been developed by me personally from my trading experience. If you want to learn more, you can message me in WhatsApp. We can discuss about one stage of learning. Okay, there are different stage of learning. Again I'm telling sir, it's not like you are here now, you are learning and you can make money tomorrow morning. That's not the way real trading works. Because I, as I already told you, I never sell dreams here. I want to share only reality. That is what I am trying to do. Nothing sales of dream here. Okay, you can just message me on WhatsApp if you want anything to go next level on trading, or if you want to gain more knowledge on trading, sir. Okay, you can message me in the WhatsApp. The link is available in the chat box. Sir Rajasekhar sir, I've already answered your question. This can be applied. Personally follow only on bank nifty. I have never checked in equity or commodity. Don't, make sure to avoid asking the same questions. Okay, I believe this session was useful to you. You would have learned something new. Just type yes or no, you have learned something new. Everyone, quickly, sir, before completing this session. Time is almost 9:20. because I'm taking all your questions. As I already told, even you are a troller or a learner, I will answer all your queries. I'm not like just completing the session and going out of the session. This is not the way I personally do. I will make sure to answer all your queries. So just type yes in the chat box if you felt this session was useful or you have learned something new. One question, I don't know who's his name, ABC. Should we take a short question if we see rejection from the level that we marked? Sir, I am not telling you to blindly take trades. There are different trading strategy. On any of my upcoming in next 2-3 weeks later, I will share the trade setup for free also. I will try, but I can't say I will share, but I will try. Because free doesn't have value, sir. 100% free doesn't have value. Okay, try to understand, free never ever have value. But still I trying to share free as much as knowledge as possible. Srinivas sir is asking, do you conduct sessions regularly? Yes, I do conduct session. I am trying to do it regularly. Let's see. So far, this is third free live webinar, and I have almost done 10 to 12 free live trading sessions so far. Okay. Okay, I believe this session was useful and you would have learned something new. So, without any further delay, thank you so much for attending the session. I believe this session was useful. If you want to speak to me anything about trading related, you can message me in the WhatsApp. And I believe everyone have already joined the Telegram channel. And one more time I am repeating, stop following call providers. 1,000 time I am repeating. 10,000 time I can repeat. If you really want to learn, just click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification and make sure to join on Telegram. And if you want to join on WhatsApp, message me in my WhatsApp, I or hello. Okay, thank you so much for attending this live session. So without any further delay, I will end this live session right now, sir. Everyone, if you just felt this session useful, I will share you. Yes, anything if you wanted to learn anything, sir, please message me in the WhatsApp, sir. So we can discuss. Make sure to message me in the WhatsApp. I have also pinned the WhatsApp link also. Just message hi or hello and just let me know what you want. Yes, if you want to message me, check the link which I have shared in the WhatsApp, sir. You can message there. Jagadish sir, Srinivasan sir. Yes, Srinivas sir was also asking, what about Jagadish sir? Yes, you can message me there in WhatsApp. Just yes, few traders are explaining, I want to learn. Mayur sir is asking, please explain when to exit. Sir, in any of the upcoming trading session, I will let you know, sir. But time is already 9:25 here. I was planning only till 9:25 already. Okay. I'll explain you on any other trading day. Any other webinar, free webinar. Okay. Don't mistake me because of time constraint here. Yes, okay. Great. I believe everyone have enjoyed this session very happily. Just one last time, just a positive energy creating. Just if you have enjoyed this session, just type yes in the chat box so that I can know you have enjoyed the session. You have to enjoy the session, sir. Then only you can learn. Whenever you are messaging me on WhatsApp, just let me know your name also, sir. Okay. Your good name so that I can know your name also. Okay. So yes, thank you so much for attending this session. I believe this session was useful, and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification and just follow us on Telegram so that you will get updated on any of the upcoming trading sessions, and I will try to do my best as possible, sir. Okay, and Sunday get ready for the Bank Nifty new trading strategy. It's ready to come on Sunday, sharp morning 10 a.m. Okay, how much? Yes. I could see almost 61 plus likes. Yes. WhatsApp not opening. So this is my WhatsApp number. I'm just look at on your chat box WhatsApp number. Can you see? 79043465337. You can message me in the WhatsApp by this number. Murli sir, you are telling the link is not opening. You can message me here. Okay. Very clear. What is the time? Time is 9:26. So without any further delay, what we will do is we will just end this live session. Thank you and good night, everyone. And don't forget to join on Sunday, sir. Special to be learned on Sunday. Very special. Good night, everyone. Without any further delay. Good night, everyone. Thank you so much for attending this session. I believe this session was useful. Stay connected with us to learn more and more on the upcoming trading sessions. Thank you. I'm just ending this session right now. Thank you so much.